house is called BL House. BL House means Balaji and Lavanya, and they have 2 sons. So it's a family of 4. And then the design brief was to have a home with more updated technologies and which would look modern even after 20 years. We believe in having a lot of daylight into the home. So most of our homes are more daylight. The overall concept was revolving around the courtyard of the house because it helps in good connectivity with all floors. But at the same time, we didn't want it to be a very traditional courtyard. Basically, home itself should look more modern and contemporary, so we try to play with material palettes. So here we have used about 10 to 12 colors of exotic marbles, and to coordinate them and at the same time make them gel with each other, it was a very tough job for us, but we wanted to do it. Basically, the neighborhood is mostly residential, and we have mostly all homes G+2, G+3. 2 sides we have homes, and then one side we have road, and another side behind we have municipal park, which will be forever. And then when it comes to the requirement, it is like they require 5 bedrooms, kitchen, open kitchen, living, dining, gym, home theater, and then party place, and then a pool for themselves to chill. And then when it comes to the site, so the site was something like this, and we have north, and then the basic thing was to correct the site as per Vastu, and then we had to straight line this and then this, and then once it comes to the internal planning, so we have northeast entry. The main door actually is made of selenite, and then we have these steps which are lit up in the night. Yeah, we're in the foyer of the home, and we're actually looking at the main foyer, and this is like we have a console, and then we have a colorful artwork on the wall. This is a customized wallpaper, and then we're walking into the main formal living. So this is the place where they host the guests. Everything is very clean lines and more modern. And then when you look at the home, only the formal living room is little private. And then we have this nice central courtyard where we have this black piano. We want to do something different, not to have a tree or not to have a kind of landscape, a hardscape. And then we have a nice little parametric kind of view of lights. And then we have the open kitchen, and then we have a closed kitchen inside. When you look at these steps were precast concrete, and then we got polished at site, and then we have used an insert of wood. Going to the first floor, so this courtyard opens up to most parts of the home. And then we are entering the master bed, which is on the southwest part, and the master bed decor is very clean. This is the puja, this is the northeast part of the home, carved out of marble. Second floor, we are coming up like this, L steps, and then we have the same cutout continuing. Now we have another kind of 25 feet long lamp hanging there, which connects all the floors. The elder son is a big fan of red color, so we did this Tonio Lamborghini bed with red. Then we have carbon fiber on the bedside tables. And again, if you see the ceiling, this gives a kind of galaxy feel. And then the same color theme flows onto the toilet and the dress room. We are moving to home theater, which is a large enough, roughly size of 40 feet in length. So when we go to terrace floor, it's mostly terrace, and then we have the skylight for the courtyard, and you can just walk on the skylight. From the skylight, actually you can see the depth of the courtyard, and then the black piano which we've been placed in courtyard like an element of art. So we have the pool equipment room, your balancing tank and all that. And then this is a staircase which goes to the party area and the pool. We've used this kind of corrugated marble which was customized. So we have so many faces done in stone. This is the party area adjacent to the pool to capture these views, even while swimming. And then most of the parties happen, next to the pool parties. this place actually gives a lot of memories for the family and friends.